Okay, let's have a look at some exam type questions. This one's from the WJC in 2012 on foundation paper. And what they're going to do, they're going to ask us to find the perimeter and area of this compound shape. So we've got two overlapping rectangles, 9 centimeters by 3 centimeters, make an L shape. Okay, so there are some lengths missing. Okay, so part A says calculate the perimeter. Now what we've got to do is work out those missing lengths. Now that one there, it's got to be 6. It's 9 over on the far left, 3 on the right, so that must be 6. And this one must also be 6. So now when we're calculating the perimeter, sometimes I put a little dot up there to show where I'm starting. And then I just add up the length. So we've got 3 plus 6 plus another 6 plus another 3 plus 9 plus 9. And the dot being there stops me going around adding an extra side or anything like that. And if we add all of those up, 36 centimeters. Good. Let's have a look at the area. So I'm going to split this up into two rectangles. There we go. There's one there. Now that's 9 by 3. Okay, so we can write that down. And then the other rectangle, the little one there, that's 6 across, 3 up. So that's 6 by 3. So that's 27 plus 18. It's 45 centimeters squared. And note, the WJC often asks us to write down the units of our answer for an extra mark. Apologies if there's any noise coming through for some demolition that's going on outside. Hopefully you can hear above it. It's probably louder to me than it is to you. Okay, let's have a look at another one. 2013. So a very similar question. Slightly more complicated sort of shape. Let's have a look. Calculate the perimeter. So the same strategy we've got to work out the missing sides. That one's going to be 5. It's 8 on the left. Now look, 3 on the right. So that's going to be 5. And that one's going to be 5. Now we've got the same rectangle repeated. So that must be 3. And then across the top is 8. We've got 2 3s on the bottom. So that bit has to be 2. So now we can do the perimeter. Let's put a dot in. And the perimeter is 8 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3. And we're just taking care, making sure we don't miss a side, don't put a side down twice. And we add all those up, 42 centimeters. Remember, perimeter is a length, so the units in this case will be centimeters. And now calculate the area. There's lots of ways we can split this up into rectangles. I'm going to do the missing lengths first. So we got a 5 and a 5 and a 5, and we got a 3 there. We don't need that extra 2 in the middle that we had for perimeter, so we're not going to put that in. There's my first rectangle. Now how big is that? It's 8 across, 3 up, 8 times 3. Then I've got this one. Ooh, what's that? 5 times 3. And finally we got that one, which is also 5 times 3. Okay, so that's 24 plus 15 plus 15. And that's going to be 54. Notice again it says write down the units of your answer, centimeters squared. So there's 2 typical exam questions where we've got to find the missing length, get the perimeter, break the shape up into rectangles and get the area. So over to you now. There's an exercise for you to do. Good luck, and it's bye for now.